For a long time it has been said that buying meat from Walmart is a no-no, and based on many articles I've found online, the perception haven't changed yet. So I decided to buy all the steaks Walmart sells and see for myself if this meat phobia is a myth or a fact. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I know I've been out of the channel for a while. I think last month we only have one video, but believe me, I was really busy. And I know a bunch of you guys missed us, but what do you mean? Yes, they missed us, yes. Yes, you may. Listen, if you miss the Ninja and Miss Ninja on the videos, put it down in the comments and we're going to count all the comments and we're going to make some math in here. We're going to come out with something. We have to come out with an equation. Did you guys miss us? Put it down there in the comments and let's get into the video because it has something amazing for you guys today. You have to see this thing, man. Last October, I read an article about Walmart opening up a new meat packing plant dedicated only to Angus beef, and it really caught my attention, as I always thought that the beef from Walmart was of a low quality. Of course, we are not talking about what you hear. We're talking about all the beef that they sell there. But before we get into that, guys, I want to let you know a little bit about what's going on with the giveaway of this month. We have a few surprises, a few changes in there, and I know you guys are going to be interested in that. All of that at the end of the video. Let's go. We all know that if you make a little search in Google about Walmart meats, the stories and articles you will find can be horrific. And apparently that negative consumer's image is the one they are trying to erase with this new incursion into the Angus market. Of course, the meat from Walmart has been categorized as one of the worst in the market for such a long time that it will cost them a lot to change that image. And let me be clear, I'm not associated with Walmart in any way, and this is not a sponsored video. Walmart, give me a call. As many of you already know, Angus is not only a breed of cattle, it is also a brand and beef certification that inspect and carefully rate beef in order to allow only the best quality meat to be sold under their name. Similar to what the USDA does, but as a private company. Even though there are two different classifications, meat certified as Angus often fall in the two tiers of the USDA, which is Choice and Prime. Angus certified beef is guaranteed for its flavor and tenderness, and of course, no one can sell Angus beef without being rated and certified by the Angus Association. And yes, I said all that to make the point that if Walmart is selling certified Angus beef, the quality of the beef has to be superior to anything they sold before. So today I woke up early in the morning and went to Walmart for beef, not seeking only the black Angus but any other steak they might have for sale, without counting of course the very good and well-known Wagyu we're all familiar with in this channel. My idea was to buy all the kind of meats they sell, but all of them as a ribeye, so we can really have a good comparison here. The first one I found was this beef ribeye steak, available in the store for $10 the pound. It doesn't have a lot more information on it, but by looking at the marbling, we can tell that it's pretty close to a USDA Select. Remember to always look at the meat when you're buying it, as most of the time you can guess the quality of the meat by just looking at it. It all depends on how much attention are you paying when you are selecting the meat from the shelf. The next steak is going to be a grass-fed steak available for $13 the pound. Grass-fed meat is qualified differently as normal USDA grades are not applied to this beef. Grass-fed meat tastes different and is marked more for the way the cattle are grown than for its quality. But nevertheless, this steak looks beautiful and should be great after grill. The next steak has a better marbling and is qualified as a choice already by the store, and the price is $11 the pound. But remember, the USDA qualifies beef based on ranges, and even when it's sold as a choice, the quality can be better or worse. And leaving Wagyu out, these are the steaks you can buy in any Walmart near you right now. And with all the steaks presented to you, it is time to get them ready for the cook. And as always, I will only add salt and pepper to the steaks and let them rest for about 30 minutes while the grill is getting ready. And once the grill is ready, set them on it and let them cook until the internal temperature of the meat reaches 120 degrees for a nice medium turn. After that, all we have to do is to set them right on top of the fire for a beautiful great sear. And once your steaks look as beautiful as this one, take them off and let them rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. And now that you're watching these beautiful steaks, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and to hit that like button if you like this video. Well, Miss Ninja, we have these 3 beautiful steaks here for you to try today. And all you have to do is tell me which is the best for you, which is the second good, and which is the worst.
Oh,
all right?
That's different. We're back, guys.
We're back.
I know. Thank you for all the concerns. We're okay.
Thank you so much for all the comments, all the Instagram, or everything, guys. We are okay. We just been really, really busy.
Yes.
And getting ready for this new year, which is going to be amazing. This new year is going to be awesome. It has to be.
Yes, it will. Has to be.
Nothing sucks more than 2020. So let's get into this year and let's be happy and let's make it happen.
And let's have more steaks.
And we have these 3 beautiful steaks, Miss Ninja.
Let's do it.
Just try it and tell me what do you think. You know, it's not a big deal. Just give it a try.
Okay, let's go.
Number A here. Let's go and give it a try.
Oh.
Number A is good.
It's good.
It's beefy. It's not that tender.
Exactly.
But it's juicy. It tastes good. If you give it to me, I won't complain. All right? Let's go for number B and see what's up. Number B.
Number B. Oh.
Flavor is awesome, but it is really tender and it's really, really juicy. It's different. It's way better than the other one for me. What about for you?
Yeah.
Way better than number A?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we have number C, the big portion for Miss Ninja.
Yeah. No.
The little portion for me. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh. More tender. A little bit of less flavor.
That's flavor?
Mm-hmm. For me.
I know what it is.
Oh, me.
All right, Miss Ninja. Based on how do you feel, how do you like it, which is the best?
Number B.
Number B is the best for Miss Ninja.
Yes.
What is the second best?
Number C.
Number C is the second best for Miss Ninja. I'm just repeating. And the worst is going to be number A.
Number A.
For me, it's going to be a little bit different. For me, number C is going to be the best. Number B is really close and it's really, really good. But I think that number C is a little bit more tender than number B.
Okay.
And number A is not bad. It's not a great steak. But it's not bad at all. I mean, I can eat that, no problem at all.
Edible. So tell me what we have here.
We have all the steaks that we have here right now, they are coming from Walmart. Okay, I didn't get any Wagyu. I didn't get none of those things. Everything is from Wally. So here we have number C, which is the new steak that Walmart is bringing. It's a certified Angus meat. It's really good, and it's not too expensive. It has a really good price, and you can find it on every Walmart. Number B will be a really good grass-fed steak that they sell in Walmart.
No way.
That's why she like it better. The little flavor of the grass-fed is different. It gives you a little bit of different flavor. In here you cannot taste the grass like you do on other steaks.
That's what I was gonna say. I would have never guessed.
In some grass-fed steak, you can feel and taste the grass that the cow ate before. And this one is just a regular steak that they've been selling forever. As you can see, the quality of the steaks are increased a lot.
That's pretty good.
They're selling a pretty decent steak. I will say this is like a select, but it's really good. I won't complain about it.
All right, me neither. I'll eat it and Georgie will eat it too.
So guys, let me tell you something. We are going to keep the giveaway this entire month.
Yay!
Because last month we only made one video. One video, Miss Ninja, you can believe it. Only one video last month. So this month, we still have the whole set of wraps from Neil Surratt, which is amazing. And he's shipping all around the world. No matter where you are, man. If you are in Fiji, go for it. If you are in Tahiti, go for it. Go for it. In the craziest place, we're going to ship it to you. It doesn't matter. and it's a really good set of rubs that I know you guys are going to love.
And what do they need to do in order to participate?
All you have to do is go to the website, saltytales.tv,
Yes.
subscribe to the newsletters, and I promise you will not receive any Nigerian prints, emails, or something like that. I'm not going to share that information with anybody. It's just for me to send an email to you guys just to let you know that new videos are up, because apparently YouTube is having a hard time with that and it's not communicating with everybody. So that's what we're trying to do. Now let me tell you something. I'm not used to this thing because, you know, it's an Angus steak, but I'll tell you this, man, that steak is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
It's not a Wagyu. We didn't try the Wagyu, of course. The Wagyu from Walmart is really good. You should give it a try. It's cheap and it's 10 times better than this one.
Yes, it is.
But as you can see, you can still buy some good steaks there, which, you know, they're pretty good. Again, Walmart is not sponsoring this video at all. I had to pay for that stuff, and they never ever talk to me about anything like that.
Not
so,
a penny.
let me ask you something. If we made you hungry, can you please hit us with a like?
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and
Yes,
family,
also.
and don't forget to leave your comments down there. What do you think about this comparison? Do you like these kind of videos? I mean, it's good information, I guess.
Yes, it
You
is.
guys let me know down there in the comments. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
I love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.